Hi there. I decided to upload a new video regarding Renault check anti-pollution system error. After almost a year, the same error message decided to pop up on my car's dashboard again. I was still sure that the error was caused by EVAP system malfunction. I tested few more things and figured it out that my car's EVAP purge valve was clogged. In your case, it can be that the valve is faulty and needs to be replaced. But I would suggest you to give it a try and clean it first. I used WD-40 spray, which was a low-budget solution in my case, because I already had one in my car's trunk and cost me zero cash. So, I'll walk you through it step by step. First, pop the hood and make sure your car is off by closing the door with the keycard. After waiting about 10 seconds, disconnect the purge valve's wire connector and remove the inlet and outlet hoses. I'm disconnecting valve from wire connector. The valve is held by a hanger, and you can just pull it upwards to remove it. I'm removing inlet hose by pressing the connector on both sides. I'm removing outlet hose, also by pressing its connector on both sides. And there it is, small bloody troublemaker. Give it some deep clean from both sides, leave it for a few minutes to dry out, and put it back, reconnect the hoses and wire connector.